Hi, my name is Falco Enzler and I'm going to show you how I created a web interface for Ableton Live. So to do so, I used two programs, Surface Editor and Kinaps. So first let's have a look at both programs. So first, Surface Editor is a free software tool that basically allows you to create musical controllers with different inputs. So for example, a touchscreen or other sensor devices. So as you can see in the video I'm going to show you now, it has been used to control Ableton Live with physical objects. The other program we are using is Kinaps, a web-based desktop environment which is especially suited for multi-touch displays. With Kinaps, every piece of information like images, videos and notes are represented as virtual objects that can be manipulated like physical objects. They can even be transferred from one screen to the other by a flick of the finger. So Kinaps is the perfect choice to use as a web interface. So we will be able to replace the physical objects we saw in the previous video with virtual ones. However, Kinaps is a web platform while Surface Editor is a Java application. So my goal was to create a link between these two programs so they could connect with each other. So let's take a look at this. So here in the illustration of the situation. So we have here a surface, all right, that is running in a web page, and it connects with the Kinaps server. So it connects to the server, so in real time it can send the information of the position of each of the objects on the surface, so that multiple persons can connect to the server and receive the information. So this information is at the server. So what we want to do is get this information. So what I did with my processing sketch here was retrieve this information, treat it, and then send it to the Surface Editor via a TUIO protocol. The TUIO protocol was originally conceived for the React table in order to transmit object information from the tracking system to the sound engine. The Surface Editor is supporting this protocol and allows to program actions according to the relations between objects. You can see that when I move an object on the Kinaps surface, an assigned object moves in the Surface Editor. Each object present here on Kinaps is a part of a certain song, so for example bass, drums and so on. Approaching the object to the center of the surface will activate the sound of the assigned object. The closer to the center, the louder it gets.